Welcome to Easy Learning. Today I discuss the second chapter, relation of class 11. To study this chapter, we at first know what is order pair. An order pair consists of two objects or elements in a given fixed order. If A and B are any two sets by an order pair of elements, we mean a pair A, B in that order where small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B. In the order pair A, B, A is called the first component and B is called the second component. Equality of order pairs. Two order pairs A1, B1 and A2, B2 are equal if A1 equals to A2 and B1 equals to B2. That is, first component of the first order pair is equal to the first component of the second order pair, and second component of the first order pair that is equals to second component of the second order pair. That is, A1, B1 equals to A2, B2. This imply and implied by A1 equals to A2 and B1 equals to B2. Cartesian product of sets. Let A and B be any two non-empty sets. The set of all order pairs A, B such that small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B is called the Cartesian product of the set capital A and capital B, and it is denoted by A cross B. Therefore, A cross B equals to the order pair A, B such that small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B. If A equals to null set or B equals to null set, then we can write A cross B that is equals to also null set. See an example. If capital A equals to 2, 4, 6 and capital B equals to 1, 2, then A cross B that is equals to 2, 4, 6 cross 1, 2. That is equals to 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 6, 1, 6, 2. All these are the Cartesian product of the two sets. Also, B cross A that is equals to 1, 2 cross 2, 4, 6 that is equals to 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, we say that A cross B not equals to B cross A. Cartesian product of three sets. Let A, B, C be three sets. Then A cross B cross C is the set of all order triplets having first element from capital A, second element from capital B and third element from capital C. That is, A cross B cross C that is equals to triplet order pair A, B, C such that small a belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B, small c belongs to capital C. See an example. If capital A equals to 1, 2, capital B that is equals to 3, 4, capital C that is equals to 4, 5, 6, then at first we calculate A cross B that is equals to 1, 2 cross 3, 4 that is equals to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Therefore, A cross B cross C that is equals to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4 cross 4, 5, 6 that is equals to 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 6, 1, 4, 4, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6. Note, A cross B cross C that is equals to A cross B cross C that is equals to A cross B cross C. If A and B be two finite sets, then cardinal number of A cross B that is equals to cardinal number of A cross cardinal number of B. Then what is relation? We just consider some non-mathematical concept. We consider some non-mathematical concept. Dasarath was father of Ram. New Delhi is the capital of India. The line AB is parallel to the line CD. The order pair x, a set x, y is a subset of x, y, z. All these sentences express a relationship between the two objects. So, non-mathematically, we can say that the word relation implies an association of two objects according to some property possessed by them. Now consider some mathematical concept. The order pair 8, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1, 1, 10 satisfy x is greater than y, while 7, 8, 3, 7, 1, 2, 0, 1 satisfy y is greater than x. From this example, we conclude that we can always form a set of order pairs from the given relation. So what is relation? We define a relation. A relation is a set of order pairs obtained by virtue of an association between the two sets. Let capital A and capital B be two non-empty sets, then a relation capital R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Thus, R is a relation from capital A to capital B. This implied and implied by R is a subset of A cross B. If capital R is a relation from a non-void set capital A to a non-void set capital B, and if the order pair A, B belongs to capital R, then we can write A R B, that is A related to B. Relation from a set capital A to a set capital B can be represented in any of the following form. Roster form. In this form, a relation is represented by the set of all order pairs belonging to capital R. Example, if capital R is a relation from a set capital A that is equals to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 to set capital B that is equals to 0, 1, 4, 9, 10, by the rule A related to B, implied and implied by A square equals to B. Then 0 related to 0, -2 related to 4, -1 related to 1, 1 related to 1, 2 related to 4. So capital R can be described in roster form as follows: capital R equals to 0, 0, minus 2, 4, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4. Set builder form. In this form, the relation capital R from a set capital A to set capital B is represented as capital R equals to the order pair A, B such that small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B, and A, B satisfy the rule which associates A and B. See an example. If capital A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, capital B equals to 1, half, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, ... and capital R is a relation from A to B is given by capital R equals to 1, 1, 2, half, 3, 1/3, 4, 1/4, 5, 1/5. Then capital R is the set builder form can be described as follows: capital R equals to A, B such that small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B, and B equals to 1/A. That is, if we choose B from this set, any one, for this set 1 we can get 1/1, for 2 we get 1/2 B. So order pair, if we choose A from this set, we get a value of this set. Ultimately we get this. The number of relations that are possible from a set A of m elements to another set B of n elements is 2 to the power mn. Domain and range of a relation. Let capital R be a relation from a set capital A to a set capital B. Then the set of all first component or coordinates of the order pair belonging to capital R is called domain of capital R, while the set of all second components or coordinates of the order pairs in capital R is called the range of capital R. Therefore, domain of capital R equals to A such that the order pair A, B belongs to capital R, and range of capital R that is equals to B, that is such that the order pair A, B belongs to capital R. That is, domain of a relation from the set A to the set B is a subset of capital A, and its range is a subset of capital B. See an example. If capital A equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, capital B equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, and let R equals to 1, 8, 3, 6, 5, 2, 1, 4, be a relation from the set A to the set B, then domain of R that is equals to 1, 3, 5, that is first element of the order pair which is in the relation R, and range is the second element of the order pair which is in R, that is range of R that is equals to 8, 6, 2, 4. A relation on a set. Let capital A be a non-void set. Then a relation from A to itself, that is a subset of A cross A, is called a relation on set capital A. inverse relation. Let capital A and B be two sets and let capital R be a relation from a set capital A to a set capital B. Then the inverse of capital R denoted by R inverse is a relation from the set B to the set capital A and is denoted by R inverse equals to the order pair B comma A such that the order pair A comma B belongs to capital R, and domain of capital R inverse that is equals to range of R, and range of R inverse that is equals to domain of R. This is the end of this chapter. Thank you.